If Roblox games aren't loading on PC at all, like you click play and it just stays on loading or never opens the game, this is usually a system or cache issue. But there are a few fixes that solve it fast. Let's get everything working again. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, fully restart Roblox and your PC. Close Roblox completely, not just the game. Then reboot your computer. This clears stuck background processes that can block games from launching. Next, clear Roblox cache files. Press Windows +R. Type %local app data %. Find the Roblox folder and delete the temp and cache files. Corrupted cache is one of the biggest reasons games won't load. Now, reinstall Roblox completely. Uninstall it from your system. Then download a fresh version from the official Roblox site. This replaces any broken or missing files. Check your internet connection. Switch networks if possible, or restart your router. Slow or unstable connections can prevent Roblox from loading game assets properly. Also, disable your antivirus or Windows Defender temporarily, or add Roblox to the exceptions list. Sometimes security software blocks Roblox from launching games correctly. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated. Go to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's site and install the latest drivers. Outdated drivers can stop games from rendering. If you're using a browser, try switching to a different one, or use the Roblox app directly instead of launching through the browser. Pro tip, if Roblox opens but specific games don't load, it might be a server or game side issue, not your PC. Try multiple games to confirm. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with what exactly happens when you press play, and I'll help you fix it.